half adder అనేదేమో it is a combinational circuit that performs the addition of two bits. సో మామూలుగా మనకు అడిషన్ తెలుసు, బైనరీ అడిషన్. టూ బిట్స్ తీసుకుంటే 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 0 1 and 1 1 అంటే 1 0. Here it will produce the carry. So there is a truth table here. We will take inputs and outputs. So two inputs తీసుకుంటే how many possible combinations? Four possible combinations. Output వచ్చి carry and as well as sum. So 0 0 carry 0 sum 0 0 1 0 plus 1 ante 1. It does not produce any carry. So carry 0 sum 1 1 0 carry 0 and sum 1 1 1. So 1 1 ante 1 0. So here it will produce the carry 1 sum 0. So by taking the carry and sum, we will draw the K map. We will draw the K map. That is how many K variable K map it will require? Two variable K map.
Two variable.
Okay. So two variable first you have to draw the carry. So carry draw చేసామనుకోండి, it will produce the output xy. And sum ki draw చేసారనుకోండి, x bar y plus x y bar, x bar y plus x y bar. Draw చేసారండి K maps. Hello. G2.
Yes.
డ్రా చేస్తారా K map?
డ్రా చేసాం మేడం.
సో ఆన్సర్ వచ్చింది x bar y plus x y bar and c is equal to xy.
xy.
Okay. Then next you have to, based on sum and carry, we have to draw the circuit diagrams. So you have to take a directly exclusive OR gate. Otherwise you have to take both AND gate, NOT gate and OR gate connections. There are two level implementation of half adder circuit, this one, and this is the directly one. Directly we'll use the exclusive OR gate use chesi, we will draw the half adder circuit. So this is the half adder. Half adder ante em ledandi, the combination circuit that takes the addition of two bits. The circuit needs two binary inputs and two binary outputs. So the implementation of half adder using exclusive OR gate and AND gate. So the next one is full adder. So full adder is nothing but it is a combinational circuit. So it is a combinational circuit that performs the addition of 3 bits. That performs the addition of 3 bits. So it consists of how many number of inputs? 3 inputs and 2 outputs. It performs the how many number of inputs? 3 inputs and 2 outputs. So here we have to take the full adder. So x, y and carry in. So ఈ carry in ఏం లేదండి. సో ఏదైతే మనకు the third bit input represent the carry from the previous position. So ఈ carry in ఉంది కదండి, it will represent the addition of two inputs and get the output of previous one. So carry in is nothing but it consists of mainly 3 inputs. 2 inputs are the bits to be added. The third input, that is Cin input, represents the carry from the previous position. So there is no get confused. So directly you have to assume that x by Cin and directly you have to draw the values. It is a 3 variable K map. How many combinations it will require? 8 combinations, that is 2 power 3. 8 combinations from 0 to 7. No need to confuse. So we will take the values from 0 to 7. And we have to produce the sum and carry. So 0 plus 0 plus 0. Sum 0, carry 0. Next, 0 plus 0 plus 1. Sum 1, carry 0. 0 1 0. Sum 1, carry 0. 0 1 1. So sum 0, carry 1. ఎందుకంటే 1 plus 1, 1 0. That is, it will produce the sum 0 and carry 1. 1 0 0. Sum 1, carry 0. 1 0 1. Sum 0, carry 1. 1 1 0. Sum 0, carry 1. 1 1 1. So 1 1 అంటే ఎంత అండి? 1 0. 1 0 plus 1 అంటే 1 1. అంటే both sum 1 and carry 1. So this is the full adder truth table. So full adder is nothing but it performs the addition of 3 binary inputs. So 2 binary inputs are normal, xy, and third input variable, that is cin, will represent the addition. That is the third input represents the carry from the previous position. Carry from the previous position of that. So here the statement is nothing but 0 0 0, that is sum 0, carry 0, and 0 0 1. So 1 0. So this is the truth table for that. The S is nothing but it equal to 1 when only one input is equal to 1. So if both a carry output has a carry 1, if 2 or 3 inputs are equal to 1, carry automatically it will produce the 1. So you have to draw the K map for sum and carry. You have to draw the K map for sum and carry. So draw చేస్తే మీకు ఏమవుతుంది K map? So this is the K map for that. So how many K variable it require? 3 variable K map. So x, y, c అనుకోండి. ఎందుకంటే here we have to give the inputs x, y, c. So 0 1 0 0, that is a bar a bar b bar, a bar b అంటే ఇక్కడ x bar x, y bar c bar, y bar c, yc, yc bar. సో ఎక్కడ వన్స్ మీరు ప్లేస్ చేసుకోవాలండి? we have to place the ones at 1 దగ్గర ప్లేస్ చేసుకున్నాం. నెక్స్ట్ 2, నెక్స్ట్ 4, నెక్స్ట్ 7. 1 2 4 7. సో ఇక్కడ మ్యాపింగ్ పాసిబిలిటీ అవుతుందమ్మా? Is there is any mapping in that K map?
No.
No. So we have to write individual terms. So x bar ఇక్కడ ఏమవుతుంది? y bar c.
C.
నెక్స్ట్ ఈ టర్మ్ ఏమవుతుందండి? x bar y c bar.
C bar.
So here x y bar
X,
c bar.
Y bar, C bar.
So here x
X, Y, C.
x y c. అంతేనా? దెన్ హియర్ మీరు కే మ్యాప్ చేయండి. సో ఇక్కడ మనకు వచ్చి క్యారీ ఎక్కడెక్కడ వన్స్ ఉన్నాయో ఆ నెంబర్ పొజిషన్ లో యూ హ్యావ్ టు ప్లేస్ వన్స్. అంటే ఇక్కడ క్వాడ్ పాసిబిలిటీ లేదు, ఆక్ పాసిబిలిటీ లేదు. దెన్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు డ్రా ద పేర్. సో ఈ పేర్, దెన్ ఈ పేర్, నెక్స్ట్ ఈ పేర్. సో xy ప్లస్ xc ప్లస్ yc, దట్ ఈస్ ద క్యారీ. So the logic diagram for that, the sum of product by using sum of product implementation, మీకు ఏదైతే K map solution వస్తుందో you have to construct the logic circuit diagram. So logic circuit diagram for full adder, logic circuiting diagram for full adder. So here in previous ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్ తీసుకుంటే this is the logic circuit diagram, but it takes some confusion. How many number of input connections is there? See, there are number of input connections are there, right? So దాన్ని మనం మినిమైజ్ చేయాలి. ఆ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ ఇన్పుట్స్ ని మినిమైజ్ చేయాలి అంటే దిస్ ఈస్ ద సొల్యూషన్ ఫర్ దట్. సో సమ్ ఇది వచ్చింది x bar y bar c plus x bar y c bar. This is the sum Boolean expression. We have to reduce that Boolean expression. S is equal to c exclusive x exclusive y. So from this expression, look at this table, a diagram. This is the binary adder, that is also known as ripple carry adder. Why? Because the output of one adder will go to the input of next adder. That is nothing but binary adder. So cascading. So ఇక్కడ మీకు ఏ వాల్యూ ఏం చెప్పానండి? What is the a value here?
1011. 1011.
1011. So here this is the a0, a1, a2, a3. a0 value ఏమ్మా ఇప్పుడు? What is the a0 value? 1. And a1? 0. Next a2?
0.
a2 ఎంత అండి?
1.
1. a3?
1.
1. అలాగే b0?
0.
0. b1?
0.
b2?
1.
b3?
Sorry. 0. No, sir, 1.
మా మీరు ఎట్లా రాస్తున్నారమ్మా? 0 1 0 1 1 అంటే 1 0 1 1 అంటే మీరు ఫస్ట్ స్టార్టింగ్ ఫ్రమ్ లెఫ్ట్ టు రైట్ తీసుకోండి. 1 ఈస్ నథింగ్ బట్ a0, 1 ఈస్ నథింగ్ బట్ a1, a2 0, a3 1, రైట్? నెక్స్ట్ యాడ్ అండ్ b వాల్యూస్ ఏముందండి? 0 0 1 1.
0 1.
b0 value is 1, b1 value is 1, b2 value is 0,
Madam?
b3 value is 0. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So then you have to add these values. You will get the sum value is 1 1 0 and carry value is 0 0 1 1. Right? So here this adder will require, see, a value is 0, that is a0 value is 0, b0 value is 0. So ikkada which adder will be required? Either half adder or full adder? Which adder?
Half hand.
Full adder. How many inputs we have to given? 3. Each and every adder
3.
we have to given how many inputs? 3 inputs.
3.
So it will require full adder. So ikkada a0 value is 1, b0 value is 1. By default c0 value em pass chestarandi? 0.
0.
So what is the value? 0 plus 1 plus 1. 1 0. Antena? 1 0.
Yeah.
అప్పుడు క్యారీ 1, సమ్ ఏమైంది ఇక్కడ? 0.
0.
సో carry 1, a1 value is 1, b1 value is 1, and all ones, that is carry 1, sum 1, right? So next carry 1, a2 value is 0, b2 value is 0. So 0 plus 1, sum 1, carry 0. Antena? Next carry 0, that is next a3 value 1, b3 value 0. So 0 1 0 ఏమవుతుంది? Sum 1, carry is 0. So at the sum level, what are the outputs we will get? 1 1 1 0, right? సో క్యారీ అనేది అడిషనల్ గా మీకు C4 అనేది ఒకటి ఉందండి. Finally, we got the output. So we will take consideration only C1, C2, and C3, C4. Carry itself, we have to take the values from C1 to C4. Why? Because C0, we will assume that value. C0 will be considerably 0. So ఇప్పుడు C1 to C4 తీసుకుంటే what are the values? 0, 0, 1, 1. అంతేనండి.
Yes.
So that is the finally we got the output. So sum 1, sorry. So sum 1110 and 0011. So that is the binary adder. That is the binary adder concept. So binary adder అంటే ఏం లేదండి. A binary adder is a digital circuit that produces the arithmetic addition of two binary numbers. సో ఇక్కడ ఏ యాడర్స్ యూజ్ చేస్తామంటే ఫుల్ యాడర్స్ యూజ్ చేస్తాం. యూ హ్యావ్ టు యూజ్ ద ఫుల్ యాడర్స్. సో ఈ ఫుల్ యాడర్స్ అనేది ఇట్ విల్ బి కనెక్టెడ్ ఇన్ విచ్ మోడ్? క్యాస్కేడింగ్ మోడ్. క్యాస్కేడింగ్ మోడ్ ఈస్ నథింగ్ బట్ the output of one adder will connect to the input of next full adder. That is nothing but cascading. So here we have to pass the addend and adjoint values, that is A value and B value. Suppose you have to pass the value A value as 1011 and B value as 0011. Values pass చేస్తున్నారు. So C0 value will be initialized to 0. So A0 value is 1 and B0 value is 1 and C value is 0. 110 is nothing but 10 and carry 1 sum 0. Alaga finally you got the value. So sum is 1110 and carry. ఎందుకు ఇక్కడ CI plus 1 అంటున్నామంటే that is the additional carry. We consider C12 that is CI plus 1. So C0 value ni we will not consider. So here carry అనేది ఏం చేస్తున్నదండి? Propagation అవుతుంది. The carry will be propagated. So from one adder to another adder, that is one full adder to another full adder. So ఇక్కడ carry propagate ఏమవుతుంది? So you have to add these two values, that is 1 1. So 1 1 అంటే ఏం చేస్తుంది? It will produce the 1 0. 1 1 ఏం చేస్తుంది? It will produce the 1 0. So అప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది? The carry will be 1 and sum will be 0. The carry will be 1 and sum will be 0. So carry 1 వస్తుంది. So it must take some time to produce the output. That is nothing but carry propagation delay. So the output అనేది it will produce, it will take some time to produce that carry output. That time is known as propagation delay time. So carry propagate అవుతా ఉందండి. So from one full adder to next full adder. అంటే ఇక్కడ ఏమి ఆ క్యాస్కేడింగ్ జరిగేటప్పుడు ఏదైతే ఒక ఫుల్ యాడర్ నుంచి అవుట్పుట్ అనేది ఇంకొక ఫుల్ యాడర్ కి ఇన్పుట్ గా వెళ్తుందో there must be some delay. That delay is known as propagation delay time. What is that? Propagation delay time. Carry propagation అనేది so here ఈ carry అనేది ఇంకొక యాడర్ కి పాస్ అవ్వాలి అంటే some time అనేది it will take. That is nothing but propagation delay time. So that is not the addition of two binary numbers in parallel implies that all the bits of A and B are computation at the same time. Computation at the same time. As is any combinational circuit, the signal must propagate to the gates before the correct output sum is available. Here, the output will not be correct unless the signals are given through enough time to propagate through the gates connected from the input to output. So in this diagram, see, here the carry propagation will occur. Why? Because it will produce some carry to the next half adder. It will take some delay to get that output. Automatically this process will not executed. Why? Because it depends upon the previous output connected to the input to the next order. That is nothing but propagation. If there is any delay in the circuit to produce the output, rest of the process also to stop the execution. Why? Because we will get the result from this ladder. That's why it will. Next one is carry propagation delay. So carry propagation delay time. Is it clear? So here the longest propagation delay time in an order is the time it takes the carry to propagate through full adders. So this is the diagram for to construct the full adder with propagation delay. P is nothing but propagate and G is nothing but generate. So this is the carry propagation logic diagram. P is nothing but propagate and G is nothing but generate. So here we have to assume that these are the output circuits for that. So the carry propagation time is an important attribute. Why? Because it limits the speed with which two numbers are added. So here we are using the carry as Pi is equal to, that is Ai exclusive Bi, and generation I is equal to Ai Bi. These are the two formulas you have to propagate and generate. And sum and carry. Si is equal to propagation exclusive carry, that is Pi exclusive carry. C is equal to G plus Pi into Ci. What these equations we are getting from this diagram. These equations we are getting from this diagram. See here, Pi is nothing but A exclusive Pi, and G is nothing but AB, and here S is nothing but P exclusive G, and Ci is nothing but here PG, that is nothing but, sorry, here P, and this one is carry, that is Pi into Ci plus, this is the OR gate, so Pi Ci plus, this is the generation, that is G. So by this way we have to getting the formulas, that is Pi and Gi, and the next one is Si and Ci plus 1. So Gi is nothing but carry generate. So and it produces a carry of 1 when both A and B are 1. Pi is nothing but carry propagate. So this way we have to consider the values. C0 is nothing but input carry. C0 is nothing but input carry. So what is the C1 value? So C1, first you have to solve this one. Pi is equal to, that is first I value is assumed that 0, and next 1, next 2, next 3. Why? Because here we have to take the how many adders? It is the 4 adders. So C0, C1, C2, C3. We have to solve the first carry, that is C0, C1, C2, C3. So here by default C0, so next C1. So C1 is nothing but, so I value is 0, 0 plus 1, 1. That is I value 0, 0 plus 1 is nothing but C1. So what is the I value here? C1 is equal to G0 plus P0 C0. G0 plus P0 C0. Then next I value will be 1. So 1 plus 1, 2. And what is the G value? G1 plus P1 C1. G1 plus P1 C1. And G1 is nothing but there is no that P1. So P1 into C1. So C1 and what is the value? G0 plus P0 into C0. Then this is the final equation for C2. And C3. So what is the I value here? 2. 2 plus 1, 3. Then what is the equation? G2 plus P2 C2. G2 plus P2 C2. Then G2 plus P2 and C2. C2 and what is the C2 value? G1 plus P1 G0 plus P1 P0 C0. This value directly comes. This way we have to calculate the carry from the previous equations. This way we have to calculate the carry from the previous equations. So by this way we have to calculate the C3, C2, C1. Here there is no waiting for remaining. So C3 does not have to wait for C2 and C1 to propagate. Why? Because here we have to propagate the values at the same time C1 and C2. So this is the carry look ahead generator. By using these three Boolean functions, we have to implement the carry look ahead generator. So by using this, we will not consider the C4 value. We will not consider the two-level circuit for output value. This is not shown. It can be easily derived by that equation. So this is the logic diagram for carry propagation. So అక్కడ మనం ఏదైతే carry propagation తీసుకున్నామో దానికి we have to construct the logic diagram, that is carry look ahead generator. We will draw the circuit diagram for carry look ahead generator. So ఇక్కడ ఉంది కదండి values C1, C2, C3. So for these Boolean expressions, we have to construct the diagram for carry look ahead generator. There is no need to depend on output previous output. So directly we can draw and we take the values from the inputs. That is the carry look ahead generator. So this is the full adder, 4-bit adder with carry look ahead generator. Here carry look ahead generator, these values are P, G and Pi, Gi, P, and that is G0, P0, G1, P1, G2, G3, G3, G4, alagani. So S1, that is sum and carry.